tan 80 minus tan 10 by tan 70 value of that. So I want to take 70 is equal 80 minus 10. Then tan of 70 is equal tan of 80 minus 10. Now tan 70 is equal tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B and tan 80 minus tan 10 by 1 plus tan 80 into tan 10 degrees. So tan of 70 is equal tan 80 minus tan 10 by 1 plus tan 80 is nothing but cot 10 degrees, because tan theta is equal tan 80 is equal tan of 90 minus 10, that is cot 10. So it is cot 10. Cot 10 into tan 10. So tan of 70 is equal tan 80 minus tan 10 by 1 plus this is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. By cross multiplication, 2 into tan 70. 2 cross multiply cheste tan 80 minus tan 10 by tan 70. So this is the question. Answer is 2. Answer is 2 in the second option.